Hi guys, here 5 plus 3 is 8 square minus 8 divided by 2 times 3. Here 8 square is 64 minus 8 divided by 2 times 3. Here 64 minus 8 is 56 divided by 2 times 3. Here 56 divided by 2 is 28 times 3. Here 28 times 3 is 84 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 84 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before any other operation. Here bracket is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8 square minus 8 divided by 2 times 3. Here the next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 8 to the power of 2. 8 to the power of 2 is 64 minus 8 divided by 2 times 3. Here we have subtraction, division and multiplication. The next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 8 divided by 2. We have to do this 8 divided by 2 before any other operation. So 64 minus 8 divided by 2 is 4 times 3. Here we have subtraction and multiplication. Multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this subtraction. So 64 minus 4 times 3 is 12. Here 64 minus 12 is 52 is the correct answer.